Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. Today's topic, computing weights. Compute means to calculate. Objectives: to identify the number of operations required to calculate weight in a given problem. To understand that weights can be added, subtracted, multiplied and divided as numbers. Let's observe the weighing machine. Watch how the weight increases or decreases when we add, when we keep or remove objects on the weighing machine. See the weight. See, the weight of strawberry bag is 4 kg. Now, the weight is 5 kg. Now, the weight is 10 kg. Now, it is 11 kg. Let's observe. Now, I am removing one bag from here. Observe the weight. Now, the weight is 10 kg. Again I am going to remove one more bag. Now see children, the weight is 5 kg. Now I am going to add one more bag here. Now see the weight, it is 7 kg. Children, what happens when we remove a bag from the weighing machine? See, the weight is 7 kg. Now I am going to remove one bag from here. Now the weight is 3 kg. So when we remove a bag from the weighing machine, the weight decreases. Now again see, I am going to add one more bag here. Now see, the weight is 8 kg. So children, what happens when we put more bags on the weighing machine? When we put more bags on the weighing machine, the weight increases. Are weights of objects getting added or subtracted on the machine? The way we add or subtract numbers? Yes, weights of objects are getting added or subtracted like numbers. We should be clear that adding and subtracting weight is like adding numbers. But it is essential to write the unit kilogram with the answer, which shows that we have measured weight and it is in kilogram. Numbers with kg denote weight of certain objects or things. So children, kilogram is the unit of weight. In short, it is written as kg. See here, this is the bag of 5 kg, 1 kg, 2 kg and the total weight is 8 kg. You can add, subtract, multiply and divide different ways as you do with numbers. Let's see how. Open page number 85. I add. Now see here, we have to see which mathematical operation may help you to solve the following problems. Question number 1. If one packet of rice weighs 10 kg and one packet of sugar weighs 20 kg, what is the weight of both the packets? Children, here we have to find out the weight of both the packet, means we need to do here addition. So which mathematical operation will come here? Addition. So put here addition sign. Question number 2. Karan had 50 kg potatoes. Of those, 30 kg were rotten. Rotten means very bad or सड़े वाले. How many potatoes could he use to cook? He was having 50 kg potatoes. Out of that 30 kg were rotten. So we have to remove 30 kg from 50 kg. So here we need to do subtraction. So here will come subtraction sign. One packet weight is 2 kg and we have to find out the weight of 6 packets. It means if we multiply this 2 into 6, then we will get the answer. So here will come multiplication sign. Open page number 86. Question number 4. Grishma had 8 kg cereal. She equally distributed the cereals among her 4 neighbors. Write the weight of the cereal each neighbor got. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags are here and we have to divide this equally in 4 houses. This is the division problem. Divide 8 equally in 4 groups, then you will get the answer. Or say 4 table till 8, 4 to the 8. So here will come 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg and 2 kg. Let's see next question. Solve the following questions. This is the addition of kg. See here 0 plus 4, 4, 9 plus 6, 15 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 children. This is here kg unit is written. It means in the answer you have to write kg. So we will come to know that this is the addition of kilograms. Like this, solve next question. 410 kg minus 199 kg. So here we have to subtract 199 from 410. We cannot remove 9 from 0. So need to borrow 1 from his neighbor. Here will come 0. Here will come 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. Again we need to take 1 from the side number. So here will come 3 and here will come 10. 10 minus 9, 1 and 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 211 kg. Kg is the unit of weight. Like this, solve the other one. Question number 2. Solve the following questions. A. 12 kg multiply by 2. This is the multiplication problem. You can write like this. Now say 2's table till 2. 2 2's are 4. 2 1's are 2. And here is kg. So write here kg. The answer is 24 kg. The same way solve question B. Question C. 15 kg divided by 5. You can solve this directly by saying 5's table till 15. 5 3's are 15. So answer is 3 kg. Solve question number D in your maths textbook. Page number 87 is for homework. The question is, in a winter carnival, carnival means festival, a balloon ride is arranged. The maximum weight the balloon can carry is 200 kg. The weights of children in different groups are given below. Find out which of these groups can enjoy the balloon ride. So here 4 groups are given: A, B, C and D. Calculate the total weight of each group. and then you will get the answer. Page number 88. Learn to add weights faster by making 10. First, make a group of 10 and then add other weights. Here 7 kg plus 2 kg plus 3 kg. So first add 7 kg and 3 kg. So the answer is 10 kg. In this 10 kg add 2 kg. The final answer is 12 kg. Let's see. Question 2. 5 kg plus 2 kg plus 5 kg. So children, first observe the given problem. If we add this 5 kg and this 5 kg, we will get 10 kg. So write here, first step, 5 kg plus 5 kg is equal to 10 kg plus add this 2 kg. So the answer is 12 kg. Question number 3. 6 kg plus 4 kg plus 6 kg. So 6 plus 4, 10. First write 6 kg plus 4 kg is equal to 10 kg. 10 kg plus 6 kg, and then you will get the answer. In this way solve remaining questions. Children, the last question from page number 88 is very interesting. Listen the question. Different balls are kept in following 3 triangles. Move one ball from a triangle to another, so the weight of balls in each triangle becomes equal. To solve this question, just you have to move one ball from a triangle to another triangle. Children, pause the video. Try to solve it by your own. If you get the answer, then very good. If not, then see how you can find out the answer. To find out the answer, do the addition of all the weights given on the balls of each triangle. First add the weight of this first triangle. So after adding, here we will get the answer 42 kg. Here 60 kg and here 24 kg. Children, see here, in this triangle the weight is 60 kg, means it is more, and in this triangle the weight is 24 kg, it is very less, and this is 42 kg, is okay. So we have to move one ball from this triangle to this triangle. It means no need to do anything with this triangle. So we can say the weight 42 will come in each triangle. If we remove 42 from the 60 kg, see here, minus 42. So here will come 18. It means is in this triangle 18 kg ball is more. So if we move this 18 kg ball here, then see here 24 kg plus 18 kg, 8 plus 4, 12, and this is 42 kg. Now let's see the weight of this triangle. We have removed this 18. So this 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 2, 42. So now the weight of this triangle is also 42 kg. So children, only we need to move this 18 kg ball from the middle triangle. The other way is you can add the total weight of these 3 triangles and then divide that answer by 3. Then also you will get the answer. If you solve it by using other way, then comment it in comment box. Thank you. Stay healthy and happy.